G'day, mate. Unraveling Australian English idiomatic expressions. Hello, language explorers. Welcome back to another exciting lesson. Today we're venturing down under to the land of Oz, as we delve into Australian English idiomatic expressions. Prepare to make your English more colorful and diverse as you add a touch of Aussie flavor to your vocabulary. To start with, let's understand what idiomatic expressions are. They are phrases where the meanings can't be inferred simply by looking at the individual words. These expressions are often specific to a region or culture. Today, we'll specifically discuss idiomatic expressions popular in Australia. Now, let's dive into some common Australian English idiomatic expressions. 1. Fair dinkum. This expression is quintessentially Australian. It means genuine or real. For example, if someone tells a crazy story, you might ask, "Is that fair dinkum?" 2. She'll be right. This phrase is a way to say, "Don't worry. Everything will be okay." It's a showcase of the typical Australian optimism. 3. Have a squiz. If an Australian tells you to have a squiz, they want you to take a quick look at something. 4. Ripper. In Australia, a ripper is something outstanding or excellent. If you did well on an exam, an Australian might say, "You're a ripper." 5. No worries. This phrase means, "It's not a problem," or, "You're welcome," in response to thank you. You'll hear it quite often. Using these expressions appropriately can make your English sound more natural and flavorful. It's not just about understanding them, but also knowing when and how to use them in conversation. Always remember, context is king. Be sure to understand the situation and the cultural nuances before using these phrases. So there you go, mates. You now have a handful of Aussie idiomatic expressions to sprinkle into your conversations. Remember, learning a language is not just about grammar and vocabulary but also about understanding the culture behind it. And Australian English is no exception. I hope you've enjoyed today's journey into Australian idioms. So until next time, no worries, and have a ripper of a day.